In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive. We'll move through the process from opening your browser all the way to seeing your files safely stored in a folder in Drive, so you can access it anywhere. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Google Drive Login. This helps you land on the correct official page. In the results, click the link titled Google Drive, Share Files Online with Secure Cloud Storage. That's the official entry point. On the Drive page, choose Sign In and use your Google account to log in. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Drive. If you don't see it automatically, click My Drive to view your main storage area. Before we upload anything, it's a good idea to create a folder so your files stay organized. In the upper left corner, click the New button. From the menu that appears, select New Folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later, something that matches the project or file type. Then click Create. You'll see the new folder appear in your Drive. Open it to make sure anything you upload goes right into this location. Inside your folder, click the New button again. This time, select File Upload. A File Explorer window will open on your computer. Navigate to where your file is saved, desktop, downloads, documents, or wherever you keep it. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right file, especially if you have multiple versions. Click the file once to highlight it, and then click Open. You'll see an upload progress indicator in the bottom right corner of Drive. This shows you the status, which is useful for larger files that may take a little longer depending on your internet connection. Keep the tab open until the upload completes. When it finishes, you'll see a confirmation and the file will appear inside your folder. If you don't see it right away, a quick page refresh can help. That's it. Your file is now in Google Drive, neatly organized in the folder you created. From here, you can open it, preview it, or share it later if needed. If you plan to add more files, repeat the same steps within this folder to keep everything in one place. Creating a clear folder structure up front saves time and makes collaboration smoother. Thanks for following along and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your files backed up and accessible from any device.